The life of a one percenter. What is it like to be a member of one of the most notorious outlaw motorcycle clubs that ever existed? At a time where you're the underdog, no other chapters in any other states, no allies, just you and your brothers against the world. Any biker bar or club event you show up to could be your last. Scott Jr. Erickson did just that. He put his everything into the club, his freedom, the love of his life, everything, just to say he was a member of the Mongols Motorcycle Club. Let's hear from the legend itself, Scott Jr. Erickson. Full interview.
I'm Scott Jr. Erickson, and this is my story.